Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Honeycrisp apples. Honeycrisp apples are the official state fruit of Minnesota. They were developed at the University of Minnesota in the 1960s, where they were striving for a sweet, tart, crisp, juicy apple, and they sure did get one. They were first marketed commercially in the 1990s, and they are currently grown in the northern Great Lakes and New England areas in the United States. Regarding their characteristics, Honeycrisp apples are very crispy and juicy. Their flavor is a balance of sweet and tartness, tanginess, which is pleasing to a lot of people. Regarding the best uses, Honeycrisp apples are an exceptional apple eaten raw or cut up into salads. Their crispiness adds a great texture to coleslaws or slaws of any type and other salads. You can even slice them thin and add them to sandwiches. They retain their sweetness when they're cooked, so they're an excellent apple to choose for baked apples or include them in pies or other baked type of desserts. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.